Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anjali Sharma, and on my channel you are learning what is network marketing, why should you join network marketing, and how can you join network marketing. And I am primarily associated with Forever Living product. Yes, I'm a forever business owner, and today I'm going to unbox a box. This is the box. Now first let me give you a little introduction. It's like, when I have invested, I told you, in Forever Living product, you can be a forever business owner in two ways. First, either you can invest rupees 5,000 and or you can complete 2cc. In both the cases, what the company does is they provide you the product, right? So what I have done, I have invested rupees 5,000 and became the forever business owner, and in return the company has given me this box full of products. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this box and show you what are the products that I have received from the company. So let's begin. The first product is Aloe Moisturizing Lotion. This is the first product, guys. Aloe Moisturizing Lotion. This is the first product that I have received from the company. This is Aloe Sunscreen. Aloe Sunscreen. This is Aloe Evershield Deodorant Stick. This is the third product that I've received from the company. This is Radiance Face Wash that I have received from the company. And this Aloe Lips, Forever Aloe Lips that I've received from the company. This Forever Aloe Lips. So this is what I've received in this box, guys. So these are the 5 products that I've received from the company. These are the total 5 products that I've received from the company. Now what? Now there must be questions in your mind that, okay, you have invested rupees 5,000, you have got these products from the company, then now what? Now this, that I am a forever business owner. I can do business with the company. I can approach people to buy the products of this company. I can approach people to join the company and start a business of their own. That means I can do the recruitment of the people, of of people who want to join Forever Living product. So these are the two things that I can do after investing and receiving the products. Okay. Second thing that I want to tell you is that you can also get features about of these products, or you can also get to know about the after effects of these products in my videos. Those are already uploaded in my channel. You may go and visit my channel and get to know more about these products. And thirdly, I would like to say that if you want to join Forever Living product with me, if you want to be part of Forever Living product, if you want to be a forever business owner, if you want to invest 5,000 like me and receive these awards, these products, and continue selling the products and recruiting people in the company, if you want to start your business, with the company, or if you want to start with 2cc, you can contact me on the number that is displayed on the screen. Okay, and I will help you to get started. I will help you to get to know more about the, for the process of joining and everything. So yes, thank you. If you're new into this channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.